In terms of non-human engineering, this is as advanced as it gets. A chimpanzee uses a carefully stripped stick to fish for termites, adapting a natural object to a simple survival need. We share roughly 98% of our DNA with that chimpanzee. However, that remaining 2% divergence allows for a level of complexity that exists nowhere else in the biological hierarchy. This gap shows up in how we interact with time. While other primates adapt to their environment, humans possess a cognitive architecture that allows us to project a non-existent future and then work backward to build it. We see this capability tested by our most complex invention, artificial intelligence. Data centers are now consuming so much power that the strain on public grids is actively stalling the very systems we just created. Solving this requires a move beyond current public infrastructure. The industry is currently designing dedicated, gigawatt-scale energy solutions, like small modular reactors, that must be deployed where no power grid currently exists. Human survival depends on more than just having a brilliant idea. It relies on the specific cognitive steps required to turn that invisible thought into a physical reality. Our ability to innovate began with a physical shift 6 million years ago. Bipedalism freed our hands from the requirements of movement, allowing us to carry resources and manufacture tools over long distances. By using fire to cook food, our ancestors unlocked a massive energy surplus. Our bodies diverted these calories away from the digestive system and toward the brain, fueling a period of rapid expansion. This larger brain produced cumulative culture. This is the unique human ability to pass down and remix learned knowledge, ensuring that every generation starts with the total technological progress of those who came before. The refined edges on this stone hand axe represent centuries of accumulated modifications. Each generation studied the tools of their ancestors and sharpened the design, creating a level of symmetry that nature cannot produce by accident. This accumulation of knowledge forms the historical base that every modern engineer and scientist stands upon today. This evolutionary hardware transformed humans into a species defined by collective, generational innovation. But how do we actually use this evolutionary hardware to bridge the gap between a mental concept and a physical result? The process relies on the sense of agency. This is a neurobiological mechanism that compares a desired state, our goal, with the actual state of the environment, using feedback to align the two. This is managed by metacognition, thinking about our own thinking. To turn an idea into reality, we use a three-phase loop. First, we plan sub-goals. Second, we monitor in real time to correct errors like foresight bias. Finally, we evaluate outcomes to sharpen our next strategy. This metacognitive loop is the formula humans use to translate an abstract thought into a realized action. We are currently using this loop to engineer our way out of the AI energy crisis. The industry is developing on-site generation to bypass the public grid entirely. Technologies like hydrogen fuel cells and small modular reactors are being moved from the plan stage to commercial viability. We are even using AI to monitor our own energy infrastructure. In Uganda, predictive maintenance platforms use real-time sensors to optimize local grids, reducing downtime by up to 50%. But what biological mechanism pushes our species to solve such exhausting, multi-generational problems? Evolution provided us with pride. While often viewed as a sin, it functions as an internal reward system, drawing us toward excellence and competence. This drive motivates both technological feats and our milestones in ethical progress. The movement toward human rights represents the same cognitive architecture used to build a reactor, the ability to project a more just world and then build the systems to realize it. Pride acts as a compass, ensuring we balance personal effort with acts that make the community value our contribution. Our 6 million year history has equipped us with a unique cognitive toolkit. Because we can think about our own thinking, we are the only species capable of recognizing our limits and engineering the energy to surpass them.